So something came in the mail, guys. Guess what it is? Write comments below. This is the first thing that's going on my car. On the Prelude build. Let's see. Fuck. Okay, it's kind of hard. Going this way. Okay. Oh shit, cutting through it. What the hell? Was that side like that? Fuck, it was. I'm done. Oh shit. That's dangerous, guys. Watch out. Oh. Okay. Put that there. What do y'all think it is? Okay. Sound really don't tell. Bam! Here she is. Bam. What the hell is this? Gaskets. Here we go. Oh. Hell yeah. Trash goes there. Oh. There we go. Trash goes there. I don't need this shit anymore. I don't need that shit. Oh my god, that feels... Whoops, I'm gonna ding it right away. My bad. What's this? It's part of that fucking wrap. Okay. Next thing, let's unwrap this shit. Damn, she's glossy. Shiny, shiny. This piece of shit, that's going off. Fuck that. Fuck the silencer. Alright guys, so for the first upgrade we're gonna go for the exhaust. Let me show you. Here it is. We don't need that. Let's put this shit on. Alright guys, let's do a quick little start and a little rev. Just so you hear it before, and then I'm gonna do it after. Let's see. First things first, let's lift the car up. Alright guys, so first thing we gotta do is take this screw off and this screw off. It's so rusted. Look at that. But we're gonna use the good WD-40 and hopefully it'll break it loose. Let's let it sit there for a little bit and hopefully we get it loose. We get this part off. Also, we have to take off these rubbers, which they're in a pain in the ass, but if you use WD-40 on them, it should pop off. We'll see. Alright guys, I couldn't take it off from here because the screws were way too rusted. It's actually rusted everywhere. The car is pretty old. It's what, 18 years old. This exhaust was never touched, so the screws were rusted. That one cracked on me, but I just unbolted it from the cat. You'll see right now in a minute. Show you guys. Right. Let me show you. Right there. I unbolted it from the cat. I'm gonna just take the whole thing off. This is the only screw that came off. This one broke off and that one broke off. I don't know what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna get it screwed. For you guys wondering how I take off the rubber, it's like, it's not the, this is the way I learned. It's pretty easy. It's not the easiest, but it's easy, way easier. Put some WD-40 on that bitch. Oh fuck. I don't want that one coming off. I want the top. There we go. That's that. There she is, guys. She's out. God damn, that's big. My God. No wonder this bitch was so quiet. Time for the new one. Let's do it. First stage is in. Next part. Next part. Let's do it. Alright guys, I did not finish today. Reason due is to the cat. When I broke those bolts off, I'm gonna have to end up drilling holes through there and putting new bolts, and that way I can bolt it up. That's the reason I couldn't finish it. But I mean, it's not bad for doing it myself, trying to do it. So let's see it tomorrow. It was a fail today, but hopefully we get it done tomorrow. Alright guys, so you see how all these screws are pretty rusted? Well, these were way too bad and they broke right off. So I smoothed it out. Smoothed that one out. Well, now I'm going to drill a hole through it. Drill a hole through that, and I can put in new screws and lock it down. Screw, lock it down, and we'll be good. So let's do that next. So far, we got that part in. We got that part in. All of this stuff is in. Just waiting for this pipe right here to go in, and then it hooks to this one, which this one goes all the way around. See? And it hooks to that one, and it hooks there, which we have this pipe to go here, and then we adjust that one. Boom. Okay guys, it's screwed in everywhere. It's ready to get started. I fixed that, put new bolts, we're good to go. Let's start her up. Let's see how she sounds. Alright guys, so I got it done. It had to fucking rain the next day, but it's okay, we got it done. Let's hear how it sounds. Alright guys, we don't need a silencer. Let's take that shit out. Fuck this shit, right? That sounds pretty fucking good. Hell yeah. The rice are up in this bitch.